morning, YouTube. Today we're gonna do a day in life of a full-time reseller.
Good morning, y'all. We are currently here at my warehouse. It is 5 p.m. Just woke up. Let's get started with my day.
Quick tour. This is where I film all my videos. A nice big open space. We have the AirPods. We have a bunch of stuff here. If you come over here, this is where I have my spider hoodies. This is where I keep all my colognes. As you can see, freshly packaged colognes, untouched, unopened. I have receipts already here in order. After you make your first 10 20K a month, you're gonna want to invest in a warehouse. You either have a real warehouse or you buy a small apartment. The pros to a small apartment is you get to sleep in it. So Monday through Friday, I'm here filming videos, working. But once Friday hits, you see, most people go for penthouses, but I got a villa, jacuzzi, pool, everything. I'm gonna show you guys my second crib. I go at Friday to Sunday. I mean, I also just go at the end of the day. I try to start my day here and end my day at the villa, chilling jacuzzi. You feel me? So I'll show you guys some clips of that.
But guys, this is amazing. Thank y'all so much for supporting me and allowing me to do crazy stuff like this.
Alright, we are now on the computer and we're going to go into my first step of the day as a full-time reseller. So step one is talk to all my vendors. So if you go to the link down below, you can buy all my vendors that I talk to. So today I'm actually ordering 2 watches, a Cartier, and I'm not even too sure what that is. I think it's a moissanite watch. So I'm ordering these 2 watches. I think it'll be like 30 bucks, not much at all, for like what, $400 watches. I also ordered some Labubus and I ordered some AirPod Maxes. I also decided to grab these denim tear shorts and denim tear hoodies. Told them my size and quick shipping, 2 to 4 day shipping, easy. So I spend like an hour a day just talking to all my suppliers, asking for the best deals, asking for the best quality, the newest products, because they always have new products, and ordering them, because the more supplies we have, the more money we make from reselling. Next, I go on Facebook and I check how much these AirPods are selling for. So we have some going for 80, 60. You see kind of why they're going for 80. So brand new, still in the box, you know, easy as that. You want to look at all of these. The next thing you want to do is look up the next product. And I do the same thing with all the products. So all the products you order off my supplier, you want to go right to Facebook and see how much they're kind of going for to see a profit margin. So I mean, I just bought a denim tear for $15 and it's selling for $100. That is a big profit. Like, that's huge. Now you may be asking me, how are we going to compete with everyone here? So Facebook has this thing called sponsored post where it puts your listing at the very top. And my guide that comes with what you buy in the description, the guide basically shows you how to use the free trial to promote all your market listings for completely free. So within the guide, there are these Visa gift cards with only $5 on it. You put those details into Facebook and you start your free trial and you market all your listings. You sponsor all your listings so they all get to the top. Now after 2 weeks, you're going to cancel the trial and do it again with the next Visa gift card. It's all included in the PDF file below. So now that I received my products, I already went over how much they're worth on Facebook. Now it's time to create the listing and sponsor the listing. Pretty simple stuff. Item for sale. Let it load. Alright, here's the listing. What I'm going to do is drag my photos here. Title. I'm going to censor that for you guys because I don't want y'all to see my method. Price, we already saw I went for like around 80. I'm going to do it for 75. I only got it for 20 bucks, so not bad. Category, I'm going to have to censor as well. It's a secret category I do. Condition, you want to do used like new. Description, I also can't show you that really. And yeah, I'm just going to go through and list these. So all my Facebook profits get ported to Stripe. That's where I get it deposited to my bank. So as you can see, this month I made $10,700. Last month I made $6,000. Net volume sales, $9,000. That's like with taxes and everything from Facebook and Stripe tax. Yesterday I deposited about $175. Not bad. But yeah, this is a pretty average month. Pretty average month for what I do. And once you guys start, you should be looking to start doing these months as well. Like I said, $10,000 is pretty average to do. Because remember, a month is 30 days. 30 days selling items for about $100 or more. 5 items a day. You know, just do the math. It's pretty simple.
Let's go outside, go for a walk, and ship some orders. And just like that, we're here. I'm gonna get out my car. As I walk away, it's gonna lock itself. It's gonna say something like, I don't know, but you'll hear it. There you go, you heard it there. Looking beautiful, although rainy, I will say beautiful.
So there you have it. That's one of the day in the life of me as a reseller. I'll make part 2 probably next week. If this is a life that you also want to live, I have all my vendors for all my products in the description down below. And then once you buy it, I'll lock in with you and we'll get rich together.